Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review the Hummingbird earphones from Bliiq. So let's get into it. Bliiq Hummingbirds come in black or white color, which retail for around $68 and the red color for around $74. Hummingbirds come with a lifetime warranty. This proves the trust and the quality build of this product. The battery life is around 14.5 hours. The best feature is the quick charge, which means 10 minutes of quick charging will give you 1 hour of music playback. I generally prefer ear hook headphones, as anything else is difficult for my ear type to hold, specifically when working out at gym. These are quite secure and feel very comfortable in the ears. Feature I love the most is the ambient mode. If you double press this button, it will pause the music and pump in all the ambient sound. It just makes it easy to talk to someone without removing your headphones. Great feature, especially when you're working out or traveling and someone asks you a quick question. Music playback quality is good. I never had to go more than 60 to 80% volume in the outdoor conditions. Overall, this will be my go-to gym workout earbuds and I'm just loving them. Like always, I will place all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.